हरे कृष्ण। जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे, जय जय देव हरे, जय जगन्नाथ हरे। जय राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल, जय जय देव हरे। जय जय राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल, जय जय देव हरे। कमला कुच मंडल धृत कुंडल हे, शीत कमला कुच मंडल धृत कुंडल हे। कलित ललित बनमाल, कलित ललित बनमाल, जय जय देव हरे। कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल, जय जय देव हरे। जय जगन्नाथ हरे। दीनमुनि मंडल मंडन भवखंडन हे, मुनिजन मानस हंस, जय जय देव हरे। मुनिजन मानस हंस, जय जय देव हरे। कालिय विषधर गंजन जनरंजन हे, कालिय विषधर गंजन जनरंजन हे। यदुकुल नलिन दिनेश, जय जय देव हरे। यदुकुल नलिन दिनेश, जय जय देव हरे। मधुमुर नरक विनाशन गुरुनाशन हे, सुरकुल केलि निदान, जय जय देव हरे। अमल कमल दल लोचन भवमोचन हे, त्रिभुवन भवन निधान, जय जय देव हरे। जनक सुताखित भूषण जित दूषण हे, समर समित दश कंठ, जय जय देव हरे। राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल, जय जय देव हरे। जय जगन्नाथ हरे। अभिनव जलधर सुंदर धृत मंदर हे, श्रीमुख चंद्र चकोर राधा मुख चंद्र चकोर, जय जय देव हरे। तब चरणे प्रणतावय इति भावय हे, तब चरणे प्रणतावय इति भावय हे। कुरु कुशलं प्रणतेषु, कुरु कुशलं प्रणतेषु, जय जय देव हरे। श्री जय देव कविदा कुरुते मोदम, मंगलमुज्ज्वल गीतम मंगलमुज्ज्वल गीतम, जय जय देव हरे। राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय जगन्नाथ हरे राधे कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल नंद दुलाल यशोदा दुलाल जय जय देव हरे जय जगन्नाथ हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरे गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरे गोविंद जय जय गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो राधा रमण हरे गोविंद बोलो गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल बोलो राधा रमण हरे गोविंद बोलो राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि बोल जय श्री श्री गुरु रंगनाथ की धारी राधा विनोद बिहारी श्री गोविंद गोपीनाथ श्री मदन मोहन जीव की जय जय ओम विष्णुपद परमहंस परिव्रजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर सदर श्री शिव भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नित्य लीला प्रविष्टं विष्णुपद अष्टोत्तर सदर श्री भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय ब्रह्मवाद गौरी समुद्र सभी आचार्य वृंद की जय सर्व गोस्वामी प्रभुगान की जय पंचोत्तर निशिदेव प्रहलाद महाराज की जय गंगा देवी यमुना देवी तुलसी महारानी बिंदु देवी भक्ति देवी की जय स्वामित भक्त वृंद की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय ते नमः वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद बोल हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Deving Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jaya Mudire. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Welcome to our temple. Oh, very near. Good. Good. You like?
Guru.
Huh? You are Guru?
Indian.
I also follow Ganesha.
Say Guru.
I also have Nagi reading with Agastya.
Okay. You like Kali? Kali.
I mean, I also honor them.
Okay. You came India?
I went to India once.
Once.
Went to Delhi, New Delhi, and went to Shillong. But temple we didn't go there with friends. Because the temple in Shillong we went to worship Ganesha.
Okay.
And I go to the British temple. Very big British.
Ah, yeah, British temple.
Because they have a statue of Agastya there. Because I also honor Agastya because of the Nagi reading. Then I also went for Nagi. So I know what's happening
Good.
in my life.
Today is actually a special day, Ekadushi Vrat. So today, generally, doing sadhana much more, chanting Harinam much more, and engage our time in spiritual cultivatives.
It so happens that this is a holy month for us.
Yeah.
From 24th May to 21st June.
Ah.
Dalai Lama told us to recite many which is a compassionate mantra for these few weeks. We have reached 110,000, which we are really big show.
Good.
And we dedicate it to all sentient beings, to all those who are ill with sickness, is COVID. So it's basically transference of merits to all those.
This time.
Yes, this time. Everything that we do this year, these few weeks, is from Dalai Lama. Whatever you recite is magnified 700,000 times. So the blessings of our recitation will be dedicated to the whole world. So this is what we are doing. A group of us, about 300 of us, doing all this recitation every day. So this is a very holy month for us.
Yeah, good.
So I'm so blessed to met you. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
So I think you better do this.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't interrupt you. Thank you.
You can sit, no? No time?
No, I have to go to work.
Okay.
But I thought you were doing your recitation.
Yeah.
So maybe another day, because I will be interrupting you.
Yeah, okay.
Blessing to see you. Real blessing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So first, today is a special day, so we have to observe Ekadushi Vrat, Yogini Ekadushi Vrat. So first we have to read from Chaitanya Charitamrita. After that we have to glorify the special day, the glories of Yogini Ekadushi Vrat, and what is the means systems, what rules and regulations you have to follow, what time you have to break the paran, and what eats and not eating, we have to discuss later on. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Can I give you something?
Yes.
It's a donation for you.
You can give.
I didn't know that I will be coming here.
Yeah, you
I'll
can.
give you something.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Om Sastina Govinda Sastina Chidananta Sastina Vasudeva Vishnu Dadhatu Sastina Narayana Naravi Sastina Padmanabha Purushottam Dadhatu Sastina Janashuta Hanurvagavate Dadhatu Sastina Rishikesha Hari Dadhatu Om Sasti Sumangale Kesha Mahan Sri Krishna Sarveshwareshwara Dadhatu Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Madhusudana Mangalam Rishikesha Mangalayatanu Vishnu Charana Matyana Krishna Sasmaranadhari Sarva Vigna Vinashanti Mangalam Sangha. Jai Sri Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jai Sri Ram.
Thank you.
Come here.
Hmm.
Come here. Come here.
Okay, Hare Krishna.
Yeah. No, okay, come here. Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you. The blessing.
You go.
Chaitanya Prem Patra. We are yesterday glorifying Jagadananda Pandit, that he went to Navadvip to visit Sochimata, and there we have seen how manifestation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu when Sochimata offered bhogo to her son. So Mahaprabhu used to appear there, eat bhogo, but so much emotional that time Sochimata that she could not understand whether Nimai ate or not eating. When she used to see that the plate is empty, oh, I could not cook for my Nimai. Again she used to go in the kitchen cleaning everything, again start to cook, again offering bhogo. So seeing this, how much emotional. So Mahaprabhu that point informed Jagadananda Pandit to tell that not to cook second time, because when Mother Sochi offering bhogo to Nimai every year, Nimai he used to come and take prasadam in the hands of Sochimata. So don't make her cry, though I did not eat. I every time eating. Yeah. So Jagadananda Pandit manifested so much nice pastimes in Navadvip with our Gauriya devotees, Vasudev, Murari Utto, Advaita Acharya, Sochimata and others. Now Krishna Kaviraj Goswami explaining furthermore. Chaitanya Marva Gatha Sunitar Mukhe Apana Pasare Sabai Chaitanya Katha Sukhe Jagadananda Milite Jai Sei Bhakter Ghare Sei Bhakta Sukhe Apana Pasare. Chaitanya Marva Gatha. Those who are listening the glories of Chaitanya Dev, that to forget everything the material life, everything their aspiration, their surroundings, their physical needs, that always enter being submerged in the pastimes of Gaurabari. And Jagadananda Pandit used to visit the house of the devotees one after another and also give them pleasure. And so Jagadananda Pandit also feels some nice cooperative mood from the Gauriya Vaishnavas. Chaitanya Prem Patra Jagadananda Dhanna Jade Mile Sei Mane Painu Chaitanya. Actually, Jagadananda Pandit is actually received. Jagadananda Pandit received the prem of Gaurasundar, and Jagadananda Pandit has been called the pot of prem. Yeah, the place where the prem for Gaurasundar will be preserved. And those who come into contact with Jagadananda Pandit, they think, oh, this is my manifestations of Gaurasundar. Yeah, we have received directly Sri Chaitanya in their houses. In this way they are thinking like this. So Shivananda Sen Grihe Jaya Rahila Chandanani Toila Taha Ekmatra Koila Sugandhi Koria Toila Gagori Bhoriya Nila Chale Loya Ila Jatana Koria. Shivananda, he went to visit the house of Shivananda Sen, and there are different types of oil made from sandalwood and mixed with some scents, fragrance, and he make big pitcher, put inside, and very carefully he brought this oil for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to use for massage his body. Govinde thai toila dhoriya rakhila Prabhu ange diha tel Govinde kohila. He handed over this oil pot to Govinda and told him that you can, while massaging the body of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can use this one. So, Tabe Govinda Prabhu when going to use this oil, then what Mahaprabhu is telling. তবে প্রভু ঠাই গোবিন্দ কইল নিবেদন জগদানন্দ চন্দনাদি তৈল আনিয়াছে। তবে প্রভু ঠাই গোবিন্দ কইল নিবেদন জগদানন্দ চন্দনাদি তৈল আনিয়াছেন। তার ইচ্ছা প্রভু অল্প মস্তকে লাগায়, পিত্তবায়ু ব্যাধি প্রকোপ শান্ত হয়ে যায়। এক কলস সুগন্ধি তৈল গৌরে করিয়া ইয়া আনিয়াছেন বহু যত্ন করিয়া। গোবিন্দ বলছেন, Govinda Prabhu is telling that Jagadana Pundi's desire, the Mahaprabhu should use little bit on his head. Then different types of diseases Mahaprabhu can be freed, become calm and quiet. So one big pitcher full with this scented oil from Gaur he brought. So very carefully he brought. So please you can use this. Prabhu kahe sannasi toile nahi adhikar তাহাতে সুগন্ধিত তৈল পরম অধিকার। Mahaprabhu told the sannyasi had no right to use this scented oil. So I cannot use this. Fire. Shame me. If I use this scented oil, what the people will think of me? জগদানন্দ দেহ তৈল দীপ যেন চলে, তার পরিশ্রম হবে পরম সফলে। So Mahaprabhu suggested, ordered Govinda, you should can give this oil to the temple, Jagannath temple. Then they can use for showing lamp, so that they can fire the deep. এই কথা গোবিন্দ জগন্নাথে কহিল, মৌন করি হইল পণ্ডিত কিছু না কহিল। Govinda informed what Mahaprabhu had ordered to do. So he remained speechless. Who? Jagadananda Pandit could not speak anything else. Din 10 গেলে গোবিন্দ জানাইল আরবার, পণ্ডিতের ইচ্ছা কইতইল করুণ অঙ্গীকার। After 10 days, Govinda again informed. Pandit's desire means Jagadananda Pandit till he is desiring that you can use this oil. শনি প্রভু কয়ে কিছু শক্রদ বচন, মর্দনে এক রাখ করিতে মর্দন। এই সুখ লাগিয়া আমি করিল সন্ন্যাস, আমার সর্বনাশ তোমার পরিহাস। The Mahaprabhu became very much angry, then told, then you can keep one messenger, so you can use tail and keep my body, message my body. For this happiness I have taken the sannyas life. Renunciation order life. আমার সর্বনাশ তোমার পরিহাস। Oh, you now wanted to send me in hell and you make me foolish like this. পথে যাইতে তৈলগন্ধ মনে যেই পাবে, দাড়ি সন্ন্যাসী করিয়া আমারে কহিবে। When I using this oil and I have to cross the road, what people will think? That he is every day he is meeting with the fair sex. দাড়ি শুনি প্রভুর বাক্য গোবিন্দ মৌন করিল। প্রাতঃকালে জগদানন্দ প্রভু স্থানে আইল। So Govinda remained speechless, he could not speak. In the morning time, Jagadananda came near to Mahaprabhu. Prabhu gaye Pandit, তৈল আনিলা গৌর হইতে, আমি তো সন্ন্যাসী, তৈল না পারিল হইতে। Mahaprabhu told, Panditji, you have brought from Navadvip Dham so much oil, but I am the sannyasi, I cannot use it. জগন্নাথের দেহ লইয়া দীপ যেন জলে, তোমার সকল শ্রম হইবে সফলে। You should give this oil to Jagannath, then your labor, that hard labor that you have done, will be successful. পণ্ডিত কয়ে তোমারে কহে মিথ্যাবাদী, আমি গৌর হইতে তৈল কিছু নাহি আমি। Pandit told, who has told you about this? Who has told you? Who has told you about this, that I have brought this oil from the Navadvip? I brought nothing. I brought nothing from Navadvip. Who are telling that you are liar? এত বলি ঘর হইতে তৈল কলস আনিয়া, প্রভুর আগে আঙ্গিনাতে ফেলিল ভাঙিয়া। Speaking this, he went inside the room and brought this oil pitcher and thrown on the ground. It had broken Yeah. And the place full of this wall, floor. তৈল ভাঙি সেই পথে নিজ ঘরে গিয়া শুইয়া রইল ঘরে কপাট লাগিয়া. Telling this, doing this, he went into his own house and locked the door inside. তৃতীয় দিবসে প্রভু তার দ্বারে যাইয়া উঠ পণ্ডিত করি কহেন ডাকিয়া, আমি ভিক্ষা দিবা আমায় করিয়া রন্ধনে, বর্ধানে আসিমু এবে যাই দর্শনে. Jagannath Pandit became angry, became very much angry, because he brought doing so hard liver from Navadvip Dham, is nice scented, well made from sandalwood, but Mahaprabhu not using, so he became very much angry, and he thrown the pitcher on the ground and broken. Then he got inside, remained fasting, closed the door. And the third day, third part of Titiya Divas, so third day, Prabhu went to his house and called, Jagannath, Jagannath, Jagadananda, Jagadananda. Utha Pandit koi kahan. Pandit, get up, time is over. Aaj bhikkha diba amay koriya randhane. Today you will give me bhiksha. Now I first cook, now I bhogo to Krishna, and I am coming within this time. Aaj bhikkha diba amay koriya randhane, madhyane asinu ebe jai darshane. এত বলে প্রভু গেলা, পণ্ডিত উঠিলা, স্নান করি নানা ব্যঞ্জন রন্ধন করিলা, মধ্যাহ্ন করিয়া প্রভু আইলা ভোজনে, পাদ প্রক্ষালন করি বসিলা আসনে, সংগীত সালান্ন কলা পাতে স্তূপ কইলা, কলার ডোঙা ভরি ব্যঞ্জন চৌদিকে ধরিলা, অন্ন ব্যঞ্জন পুরি তুলসী মঞ্জরি, জগন্নাথে পিঠাপানা আগে আনে ধরি. After saying this, Mahaprabhu went. That Pandit got up, Jagannath Pandit, took bath very early, very short time, and start to cook different kinds of vegetables, pakori, pakwan, sweet rice, malpua, so many items. And in the noontime, Mahaprabhu came to eat. Then Jagadannatha Pandit washed his feet and sprinkled the water on his head and give one big banana leaf and made some cup of banana cup. And give rice, chapati, manda, mithai, sukto, so many items. And also different types of cakes also used for Jagannath Dev. প্রভু কে দ্বিতীয় পাতে বড় অন্ন ব্যঞ্জন, তোমায় আমায় আজ একত্র করিমু ভোজন. So Mahaprabhu told, you can arrange another plate for you. Today I have to eat with you all together. হস্ত তলি রাহেন প্রভু না করেন ভোজন, তমে পণ্ডিত কহেন কিছু সপ্রেম বচন. তখন then Mahaprabhu just not using his hands, he raised his hands on the upper portion, and he requesting Jagadananda, please prepare another plate, you should eat with me. So Tabe Pandit, Jagadannatha Pandit then requesting him with love, আপনে প্রসাদ লও পাছে মুই লইমু, তোমার আগ্রহ আমি কেমনে খণ্ডিমু. First you take prasad, later I will take the remnant. I will not neglect your order, but first you take, then I will take. তবে মহাপ্রভু সুখে ভোজন বসিলা, ব্যঞ্জনে স্বাদ পাইয়া কহিতে লাগিলা, ক্রোধাবেশের পাকের হয় ওইছে স্বাদ। এই তো জানিয়ে তোমার কৃষ্ণের প্রসাদ। আপনে খাইবে কৃষ্ণ তাহার লাগিয়া, তোমার হস্তে পাক করায় উত্তম করিয়া। ওইছে অমৃত অন্ন কৃষ্ণে করে সমর্পণ, তোমার ভাগ্যের সীমা কে করে বর্ণন। That means now Mahaprabhu eating very nicely without any mental disturbance. The taste of the vegetables also so very, very nice, relishing, tasting, and that Jagadananda Pandit himself will offer bhog to Krishna. Therefore today cooking is very nice. This is just like the nectar they offer to Krishna, and there is no limitation of bhagya love on your part. Yeah. That means Satyabhama Devi, who came here as Jagadananda Pandit, and he is cooking for Krishna. Whatever tasty, what so much, how so much tasty this is. So if we serve the Lord, then we should serve Him nicely from the core of the heart. In Hindi there is one bhajan. कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, सबरी जैसा तुम खिलाते नहीं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपिया की तरह तुम जैसा नाचती नहीं। So just like the gopis, you have to dance Krishna, just like Sabari Mata, you can feel. Just like Mother Jashoda, you can let sleep. So only we need to have our desire. That desire is to be strong, and we have to fulfill our desire. ওইছে অমৃত অন্ন কৃষ্ণে করে সমর্পণ, তোমার ভাগ্যের সীমা কি করে বর্ণন। Nobody can describe the merits of your love that today you have directly prepared and offered to Krishna. পণ্ডিত কহে যে খাইবে সেই পাক কর্তা, আমি সব কেবলমাত্র সামগ্রী আহর্তা। Pandit told, who today we eat, he himself is the cook. I am good for nothing, just I am providing the elements. पुनः पुनः पंडित नाना व्यंजन परिवेशे भय किछु ना फल प्रभु खाए न हरिषे। Again and again Jagadananda Pandit offering different types of items. Mahaprabhu also eating so much, and as see the eagerness of Jagadananda Pandit, Mahaprabhu eating means today he ate 10,000 multiple. In another day he has to eat. बार बार प्रभु उठिते करे मन, सही काले पंडित परिवेश व्यंजन। Again and again Mahaprabhu tries to get up, not eating. And on that moment Jagadananda Pandit gives some rice dal sabji on the plate. Kisi bolite Narayan, he could not speak, and being very afraid he is eating. If he did not eat, again Jagadananda Pandit remains fasting. তবে প্রভু কহেন করি বিনয় সম্মান, 10 গুণ খাওয়াইলা এবে কর সমাধান। তবে মহাপ্রভু উঠি কইলা আচমন, পণ্ডিত আনিলা মুখ বাস মাল্য চন্দন। চন্দনাদি লইয়া প্রভু বসিলা সেই স্থানে, আমার আগে আজি তুমি কর ভোজনে। পণ্ডিত কয়ে প্রভু যাই করুন বিশ্রাম, মুই এবে প্রসাদ লইমু করি সমাধান। তবে মহাপ্রভু being very humble told, you have fed me today 10 times. Any other day that I have to eat. After drinking Achman, Jagadananda Pandit brought some chandan, mala, garland, and a cover of the face. Chandanadi loiya Prabhu asila sei sthane, amar age aje tumi karo bhajane. He brought the different ingredients and set in front of the pujari, Purohit. রসুইর কার্য করিয়াছে রামাই রঘুনাথ, ইয়া সভা দিতে চাই কিছু ব্যঞ্জন ভাত। প্রভু কহেন গোবিন্দ তুমি ইয়াই রহিবা, পণ্ডিত ভোজনে কইলে আমারে কহিবা। এত কহি মহাপ্রভু তরল গমন। গোবিন্দের পণ্ডিত কিছু করেন বচন, তুমি শীঘ্র যাহ করিতে পাদ সম্মাহন, কহিয়ে পণ্ডিত দেবে বসিল ভোজন। তোমা প্রভু শেষ রাখিমু ধরিয়া, প্রভু নিদ্রা গেলে তুমি খাইয়া আসিয়া। রামায় নন্দীদার গোবিন্দ রঘুনাথ, সবারে বাটিয়া দিলা প্রভুর ব্যঞ্জন ভাত। আপনে প্রভুর শেষ করিলা ভোজন, তবে গোবিন্দে প্রভু পাঠাইলা পুনঃ। দেখো জগন্নাথের প্রসাদ পাই কিনা পায়, শীঘ্র আসি সমাচার কর্তিবে ইহাই। গোবিন্দ আসি এ দেখি, কহিলে পণ্ডিতের ভোজন, তবে মহাপ্রভু করে সাক্ষাৎ শয়ন। জগদানন্দ প্রভুতে প্রেম চলে এই মতে, সত্যভামা কৃষ্ণে জয়ছে শুনি ভাগবতে। উপানন্দ জগদানন্দের সৌভাগ্যে কে কহিবে সীমা, জগদানন্দের মাতা জগদানন্দে প্রভুতে প্রেম চলে এই মতে, সত্যভামা কৃষ্ণে জয়ছে শুনি ভাগবতে। জগদানন্দের সৌভাগ্যে তেহ সে উপমা, জগন্নাথ রথের চৈতামৃত কহে সাধনা। That means অর্থাৎ পাদসেম্বাহন একজন ভক্ত করতে গেলেন মহাপ্রভু, তারপরে ফিরে এলেন, এসে দেখেন রিটার্ন ব্যাক and so much change. She has expected to change. Then fight started from among themselves, and দেখো যখন প্রসাদ পায় কিনা পায়, শীঘ্র যে সমাচার করিবে আমায়। You check whether Jagadananda eating prasadam or not, and you should tell me. হা মহাপ্রভু গোবিন্দ আসি দেখি কইল পণ্ডিতের ভোজন, তবে মহাপ্রভু কি গোবিন্দ কেম ইন্টু দ্য হাউস অফ Jagadananda Pandit. Then Jagadananda Pandit was sitting and cooking. They had to offer to Thakurji. So in this way, Jagadananda Pandit and Jagadananda Pandit and Mahaprabhu, nice relationship. And we go into next chapter. So today is Ekadashi Vrata. One minute. Today is Yogini Ekadashi Vrata. Last time we have observed Pandava Nirjala Ekadashi. Maximum devotees followed without eating, without drinking any water, any fruits or any unkalpa sabji. And this Yogini Ekadashi, the glories of Ekadashi is to remove the sinful reactions that stored in our own karma, in our activities. If we do Ekadashi Vrata, first the sinful reactions of our past lives removed. And Gaudiya devotees also follow to attain bhakti. Madhavatithi bhakti janani jatane palana kori, Krishna vasati vasati boli parama adare boli. Madhav Tithi Bhakti Janani means this. Madhav Tithi means Ekadashi Tithi. Mother of Bhakti. So you have to observe this with take care, with utmost care. Because in this material world and 3 modes of material nature, we are suffering, being imprisoned in these 3 modes. Very difficult to cross the material ocean. So, if we observe Ekadashi Vrata very nicely and removing our the result of sinful activities, when our heart becomes pure and purified, simplified, then we can observe without making any offense this God. Then we can get full result. So, as much as possible we should follow Ekadashi Vrata very nicely. So there is Yudhishthira Maharaj and Krishna, Bhagavan Sri Krishna was in Indraprastha. Yudhishthira Maharaj asking Lord Sri Krishna about the glories of Ekadashi Vrata. There are 24 Ekadashi Vrata in a year. And in a year, 24 Ekadashi Vrata. And each and every Ekadashi Vrata is removing the sinful reactions if you do follow properly. And if we attain bhakti, the secondary result is to removing sinful reaction. The first and foremost result is to attain bhakti. If you, from the morning to night, all the rules and regulations, the vidhi, processing, if you follow, then we can attain bhakti and all the sinful reactions gone. Maharaj Yudhishthira, when asked about the glories of this Ekadashi Vrata, then Sri Krishna informed him the one story from the Puranas, that in heavenly planet there is another planet by the name of Alokapuri. This is the treasure house of the demigods, and the in charge of this treasure house is Kuber. Kuber actually was fond of Lord Shiva, and every day he used to get up early in the morning, taking bath, and began to start worship Lord Shiva. Chayambakam jajamahi sugandhi pushtivardhanam indrarukramiva bandham namritta mukshiyamam. Chayambakam jajamahi sugandhi pushtivardhanam indrarukramiva bandhana mrittar mukshiyam mamritat. Chayambakam jajamahi sugandhi pushtivardhanam indrarukramiva bandhana mritta mukshiyamamritat. Trayambakam jajamahe sugandhi pushtivardhanam indrajukramiva bandhanam mrityamukshyamamritat. And this is a Mrityunjaya mantra of Lord Shiva. So of course, he has to every day he used to worship Lord Shiva for a long time. And one Sevak was there who every day used to go outside bringing the flowers and offer to Krishna. Offer to Lord Shiva. But Hemavali was household people. So every day he was getting up early in the morning, used to come into temple, so having darshan of the Kuber, then he used to go outside for cultivating the flowers for worshipping Shiva. So one day he was returning back with flowers. And he saw that there is some time remains to start the puja. Then he was thinking, why I cannot go in my house? My wife so beautiful, so I can something meeting and return back. So this, the influence of Kali working within his mind, that he has forgotten that he has forgotten to the scheduled time of worshipping Lord Shiva, and he feels he has totally forgotten that he was engrossed with merrymaking with his wife. And in the other hand, Kuber was waiting and waiting for Hemamali for bringing the water, bringing the flowers, not coming and coming. The worshipping time, so long time he was maintaining the time and tide stand for none. Long time he was doing this service, and Kuber also doing this. At this time, nobody knows what happened to Hemamali. He has forgotten his own duty. Then, his own duty, and he lost his service. So Kuber waiting and waiting when he could not come in proper time. Anyway, Kuber managed to worship his worshipable deity Lord Shiva. Then he saw Hemamali is coming. Then he sent someone else, you should go and check. Why so late? What he is doing? Maybe he has gone in the house. Then the messenger, searching, gone into his house, saw that he was indulging with his wife. Then he was brought in front of Kuber. So Kuber asked, why so late? You have made offense. So I am cursing you. You have no right to stay in the heavenly planets. You should go down. Then you should suffer from leprosy. And you have to suffer so much. Now you can understand what is the result of sinful activity. Then, when Hemamali was cast, so he was totally came down into the world. For him, heavenly planetary system now closed, and he was suffering so much, traveling from one forest to another forest, one city to another city. But nobody could understand him. He also giving never pleasure to him. So, one day he was traveling, walking on the forest, he saw Markandeya Rishi's ashram. Then he gone inside and pay obeisances and explain everything, what his misdeeds. Then he has done a misact. I have made offense in the lotus feet of not only king, but I have made offense to the devotees, to me also, to the king also. So I have been suffering so much. So how to make me free from this suffering? He prayed to Markandeya Rishi and told everything. Then Markandeya Rishi told him to do Ekadashi Vrata. This is actually June month. Vaishajyuta Ashad. Second month of Bengali calendar and 6th month of English calendar, June. So in that darkness of ignorance, when people go inside, then there is no other way to respite from him. So therefore, we have to careful to do any activities about the Ekadashi Vrata. If you do Ekadashi Vrata nicely, you can make advance slowly. If you break the Vrata nicely, then nobody will give you the mercy. So you have to serve the Vaishnavas and get them their blessings, and we have to follow the process of doing bhajan for serving them, and we have to whole day chanting much more than any other days, reading books much more, not going here and there, so that our mind should be fixed on lotus feet of Krishna, and chanting much more than any other's time. So after performing the Ekadashi Vrata, he has totally get rid of his the past activities, misdeeds. Now he can remember where he has left his body. Then Hemamali came and entered into the Kuber's house. There he paid obeisances to Kuber and also paid obeisances to Lord Shiva, and apologizing from them for being misdeeds and misinterpretation on the behalf of us. Well, Yogini Ekadashi ki, those who will do in Yogini Ekadashi, you automatically get prem, Krishna prem. Krishna prem means the serving mood to Radharani. Because if you want to serve Krishna, first you have to serve and satisfy Srimati Radharani. If Radharani becomes satisfied, then automatically you can get the service of Krishna. Krishna is a supreme authority, and Radharani is a pleasing potential of the Lord. So, without Radharani, no pastimes took place. All are being followed by Ekadashi Vrata and his glories.
Today, what's the name? Ekadashi.
Yogini Ekadashi. Yogini Ekadashi.
Yogi.
Yogini Ekadashi. Okay, Hare Krishna. Is there any question and comment? Again, afternoon time, 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Here 6 p.m. Indian time, 3:30 p.m. Again will be 3:30 p.m. in Indian time. And now is 12 o'clock. Hare Krishna. So those who are following Ekadashi, so you must follow nicely. Now I have completed the class. আমি এখানে ক্লাস শেষ করলাম, আবার 3:30টায় ক্লাস হবে। তো আপনার ফেসবুকে লাইভে দেখতে পাবেন 3:30টার ক্লাস। আর কোনো প্রশ্ন থাকলে প্রশ্ন করবেন বা মেসেঞ্জারে প্রশ্ন পাঠিয়ে দেবেন, আমি কথা বলে নেব, উত্তর দিয়ে দেব। বা কারো যদি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার থাকে, মেসেঞ্জারে আপনার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নাম্বার দেবেন, তো আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে কল করতে পারবো। ঠিক আছে, আপনার ভালো থাকুন, সুখে থাকুন, একাদশী ব্রত করুন, কৃষ্ণ প্রেম লাভ করুন। কৃষ্ণের চরণ ছাড়ে যে আর বাখানে, বৃথা জন্ম যায় তার অসত্য বচন। Giving up the lotus feet of Bhagavan, giving up the lotus feet of Bhagavan. So what will happen to us? There is no other way. So you have to try to serve and satisfy. The Vaishnavas, devotees of the Lord, and the Lord Bhagavan. Krishna has told, give me your mind to me, become my devotee. Manmana bhava madbhakta mancha jivana. Become my devotee, at last you return to me back. So, we should try at our best level to serve our Gurudevs, Vaishnavas. And this lockdown period we have to, don't wasting our time, but we engage ourselves in devotion service of the Lord. And it will be helpful for us. Hare Krishna. Go Premanande, Hari Hari Bo.